Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Credit Sesame app to track credit score changes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone and locate the App Store. If you're using an Apple device, find the App Store icon. For Android users, look for the Google Play Store icon. Once you've opened the App Store, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap the search bar and type in Credit Sesame. Press the search button on your keyboard. You will see the Credit Sesame app appear in the search results. Look for the app that features a green logo with a white, friendly character. Once you find it, tap on the app icon to open the apps page. On the app page, you will see an Install or Get button. If you're on an Apple device, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. The app will begin downloading to your device. Once the app has finished downloading, you will see an Open button. Tap the Open button to launch the Credit Sesame app. If you do not see the Open button, you can find the app on your home screen. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. You may need to enter your email address and create a password. Be sure to provide accurate information for a better experience. After completing the initial setup, you may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Credit Sesame. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the app and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will have access to your credit score and reports. Explore the features to track changes in your credit score. You're now ready to use Credit Sesame to monitor your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.